What's up, guys? It's Nate with Trade Signals Daily. It's Thursday night. I'm just gonna go over some of the swing trades I got into today. I mentioned this morning, and just thought I'd give you a quick update, let you know no worries. Things are still okay. You know, I'm gonna go over these charts. I'll show you. Basically, we're still in nice support zones, and I'm still optimistic about this bull trend. Market ultimately held yesterday's lows, and basically we are coming down to them to retest overnight. We do have news tomorrow morning, so we'll have to wait and see what happens there. But ultimately, a nice double bottom down here would be even better for the continued bull run into through next week, through the end of the year. And yeah, that's what we're hoping for. And we'll just, to see what happens. We'll, continue to manage the trade no matter what happens. If we got to take a loss, we take a loss, and that's part of the game. So just want to be here with you guys, share my experience, and hopefully teach you a thing or two, give you some ideas for your own trading, or if you're in this trade, just work through it together. All right, so let's get into some charts. So this is Crown Holdings. I didn't actually get into this one today, but we are down at the trend line and support. Got a low risk trade right here, so we'll have to see how this looks tomorrow. If it's holding here tomorrow, I could see getting into some of this. Just, got a nice base here. This could be the beginning of a nice trend move here. If so, it's really good risk reward. This is basically what you'd be expecting. Nice move up. So, and we're in a channel. So this is the area. It's definitely a really small risk here. I wouldn't want to see it get much lower than that. So realistically, yeah, risking hardly anything at this the closing low. That's if you got in the end of the day. But we'll watch. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Still, you could definitely look at an early morning reversal and then put your stop there at the low. So not bad. Not one I got in yet, but I'll keep an eye on that for tomorrow. All right, Starbucks. Starbucks is one I really like. Also, similar situation here. This possible beginning of this new trend here. Low to high, lower, or higher high, higher low. You know what I'm saying? Just kind of zoom out, give you an idea. Some of the targets. This would also be a nice, could be a nice channel as well. And like I said, I do like the risk reward. If this definitely has a lot of potential. So this is kind of stuff you look for, and not as nice as that Crown Holdings, but the idea is here, and ultimately we're gonna get out some, basically cover any stops on the rest of our shares. So like I said, we'll probably exit some here around 96 or 95. Either way, we're locking in some profits, and we're going to hold the rest, and hopefully that'll be it. We'll get our next swing up. Well, we just basically got into support today, and well, we got into it yesterday, but we picked some up. Basically, it's kind of a sideways kind of day, up and down. No real conviction in the trade today, and we actually had a nice increase in volume today. So somebody was buying, somebody was selling. There's lots of transactions. That's what that means. And didn't go down a lot, so I'm gonna assume that's buyers. But ultimately, that'll be uh, the truth will unfold as tomorrow comes in and the next day into next week. So ultimately, we take out this high from today, and that was buyers. That's how I'd see it. All right, the next stock I wanted to go over was Electronic Arts. Came down into support again here. This is a similar situation. Just want to see this trend continue. You can see I have the trend lines down here. You know, if we just continue to see those moves up, you know, that means, you know, we're looking up here for our targets. 171, 170, you know, depending on how this goes. I mean, that would be a quick bounce, but again, you know, this is a good area. You know, we did get a little bit below the trend line, but support's here, and ultimately that's what we want to see hold. And also we had the similar kind of day, basically just up and down, no real conviction. This one had lighter volume, and so the sellers are kind of slow down. Okay, Materialize, MTLS, yeah, this one here, stronger stock, hit the support, nice bound up, nice move up, reversal candle, big volume. So excited to see what this one can do. Ultimately, yeah, similar situation, nice trend up. Would expect new highs. You know, obviously we're going to lock in some profits, probably around 8, even number 8, and then trail up. You know, continue to trail up to this upper trend line. And should be making notes, but this is Hillian, also similar situation. Volume came in on this trend line. Couldn't break through it. Close rate on it. Looks good. Nice trend channel up. So that's where we're at. And you know, hope you like the update. Sorry I wasn't in the frame there. I was a little stretching out.